Hello everyone, welcome to my English classes. Today we are going to learn the parts of speech in English grammar. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Nouns, words, prepositions, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions and interjections. In my forthcoming videos, you will learn everything about English grammar. Nouns first. There are 15 nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, masculine gender noun, feminine gender noun, common gender noun, neuter gender noun, singular nouns, plural nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, collective nouns, compound nouns, and possessive nouns. In my next video, you will understand about all the nouns in detail one by one.